So here's a bamboo pole I made. A couple of hose clamps, an old fishing reel, 40-pound test, and eye hook here. I use some magnet wires to secure the paper clips. These are heavy duty ones. I don't think they will rust. I'm going to epoxy this part too. And then another clip here. Actually, it was good for me not to cut or snip this part off, so it kind of reinforces the clip. And then at the end I just have a bobby pin there, and that's my pole. About 7 feet actually. It's a one-piece pole. I was thinking of using a two-piece, making a two-piece, but with bamboo they tend to split, so if you make them into two pieces you would have to reinforce them, and I didn't want to bother with that. So this is just one piece. It'll fit in my car okay. So I'm ready to go for some herrings. Well, actually won't be fishing for a while. There's another storm coming tonight. Okay, let's slip this over here. Makes it much easier. As you can see, it can light that 60-watt light bulb on one phase. The power is there. It's just that it has to be translated into a usable form. So nothing wrong with the ceiling fan. It's just you have to maybe charge like a 24-volt battery or maybe a 48-volt, because this is very high voltage and over 100 volts AC or DC, and you have two phases. Okay, thanks for watching.